AirCash, the first decentralized over-the-counter platform where you can buy and sell crypto with fiat money. Let's start by showing how simple it is to purchase crypto. Connect your wallet and head over to the Buy Sell tab. Here you can choose what fiat currency you want to sell. When you've been connected with a seller, you can initiate a chat with them. There you can tell them what you're looking to buy, in this case USDT. When they confirm, you can start your order. Enter the amount of crypto you want to buy, and now you're set to begin the process. Confirm the transaction on your MetaMask wallet. Now you can tell the seller that you've placed an order through AirCash. The seller will then share their bank details for you to send your fiat currency to. Once you've sent the money and they've received your order, then you can check the I have paid button. The purchase is then complete and you should see your new crypto in your wallet. Now if you want to sell, the process is similar. Head back to the main menu and set it to Sell. This time choose the fiat currency you'd like to receive and connect with a buyer. Enter the crypto and the amount you'd like to sell and confirm the transaction on MetaMask. This will show that your assets are pledged to the smart contract and are ready to be sold. You can now share your details for the buyer to send you fiat currency. Once they've sent the money, refresh to check your order status and confirm you've received the money. The transaction is complete once both parties are confirmed.